Hi there! This video shows you how to take Saddleback's group health assessment. We believe that we are better together and life is done best in a community with small groups. So we use the group health assessment to evaluate how a small group is doing in each of the 5 purposes God has for us. To get the best results, have at least half of your group, if not all of your group, take this assessment before looking at your scores. So here's how to access the assessment. First, go to www.saddleback.com. Then, click the circular icon in the top right corner. If you are not logged into your Saddleback account, do so now. Once you've clicked this icon, press View Profile from the drop-down menu. Scroll down a little bit and you'll see on the left-hand side there's a menu. Click Small Group. You might be tempted to click Health Assessment, but that's for an individualized test, so make sure you click Small Group. You'll see your small group name listed, so click on the side where it says View Details. Under the name of your group, you'll see it says Group Details and Group Health. Click Group Health. Then click the button that says Take Survey. If you need more group members to take your test, below your results, there's a button that will allow you to share a link of your small group's group health assessment with your group members. After you finish the assessment, you can see the average score of your group and see which of the 5 purposes your small group can grow in. The panel on the right side leads to ideas on how you can grow as a small group.